Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Honda CB1000R. This naked superbike just arrived with only 24,000 miles on the odometer, barely broken in. Awesome sounding exhaust, brand new tires, front and rear. Come on by and make your leader bike naked dreams come true for just $69.99. That's a lot of bike for the money. She will not be here long. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Notice the single-sided swing arm in the rear. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.